Here, question is using epsilon delta definition of limit. Prove that limit x approaches to 0, x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4 is equal to 3. So we prove by epsilon delta definition that this function x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4 approaches to 3 whenever x approaches to 2. Here our limit is 3 and function is x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4, and our point x approaches to a real number 2. Let fx equal to x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4. Here fx equal to this, L is equal to limit L is equal to 3, point A is equal to 2. We choose let epsilon greater than 0 be given. Consider mod fx minus L is equal to, we consider this because our definition is for epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. Here function is x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4. L is equal to 3. So we have to prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon. So we consider mod fx minus L. Here we consider mod fx minus L is equal to x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4 minus 3. We simply take LCM x square minus 4, simply calculate this x cube minus 8 and this becomes minus 3x square plus 12. Then this becomes x cube minus 2 cube minus 3, we take 3 common from last two terms, minus 3x square minus 4 over x square minus 4. This becomes, this is a cube minus b cube. We expand this formula, then expand this identity. Then this is a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab minus 3a minus b, a plus b. This is a square minus square of 2, x square minus 2 square, x minus a, x plus b, x minus a, x plus a, and denominator is x square minus 4, x minus 2 into x plus 2. Overall, we take x minus 2 common from numerator and denominator and we cancel this, and this becomes x square plus 4 plus 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 over x plus 2, and this becomes x square plus 4 plus 2x, simply multiplication, minus 3x minus 6 over x plus 2. The numerator becomes x square minus x minus 2 over x plus 2, and this becomes, we factorize this polynomial x square minus x minus 2, and this becomes x minus 2 into x plus 1 over x plus 2. We have to prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta, as here fx minus 3, this is less than epsilon. We have to prove this is less than epsilon when mod x minus a is 2. So we need mod x minus 2. We need mod x minus 2. So here mod fx minus 3 is equal to mod x minus a. We separate mod x minus a and remaining terms are mod x plus 1 over x plus 2. As x plus 1 is less than x plus 2, so their absolute value is also less than same relation, mod x plus 1 less than mod x plus 2, and on dividing mod x plus 2 both side, we get mod x plus 1 over mod x plus 2 less than 1, and we put this result into our equation, mod fx minus 3 less than mod x minus 2 as it is, and mod x plus 1 over x2 less than 1. So this is If mod x minus 2 is less than epsilon, then mod fx minus 3 is less than epsilon. As if this mod x minus 2 is less than epsilon and mod fx minus 3 is less than x minus 2 is less than epsilon. So if x minus 2 is less than epsilon, then mod fx minus 3 is also less than epsilon. That is, mod fx minus 3 is less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 2 is less than epsilon. And we see this epsilon mod x minus 2 is less than epsilon, but we need mod x minus 2 is less than delta, so we choose this epsilon as our delta. We choose this epsilon as our delta. So for epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta is equal to epsilon, such that mod fx minus 3 less than epsilon whenever mod x minus 2 less than epsilon. And uh, we this implies limit x approaches to 2, fx equal to 3. That is, our function is x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4. That is, limit x approaches to 2, x cube minus 8 over x square minus 4 is equal to 3, and hence proved.